Yes, raise your hand. Devishi, yes. What is mode?
Ma'am, the highest occurring value.
The highest value in the Devishi, repeat.
Highest occurring value.
Wait, देविशी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। अब बोलो।
Ma'am, the highest occurring value.
The highest occurring value, or we can say the most frequent value in the data, is called the mode. So write down first most frequent value. The most frequent value in the given data. So what is mode? It is the most frequent value. Data में एक mode भी हो सकता है, maybe bimodal. Bi means more than अगर दो mode दो highest value, most repeating values, and then it is bimodal. Now next is for अनग्रुप्ड डाटा। अनग्रुप्ड डाटा के लिए हम मोड कैसे फाइंड आउट करते थे? चेक कर लेते थे कि इसमें सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी वैल्यू रिपीट हो रही है, दैट इज द मोड ऑफ द डाटा। नाउ वी विल डू फॉर द अनग्रुप फॉर ग्रुप्ड डाटा। फॉर ग्रुप्ड डाटा write down the formula. It is L plus F1 minus F0 F2 minus F1 minus F0 into H. Now what is this? First write down this. Here L is the lower limit. Now write down L is the lower limit of modal class. Modal class means जो भी इंटरवल, जिस इंटरवल की क्लास इंटरवल की फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा होगी उसको मॉडल क्लास बोलेंगे, और L उस फॉर्मूले में जो L आएगा वो उस मॉडल क्लास का होगा. सो L is the lower limit of model class. F1 is the frequency of modal class. Write down frequency of modal class. F0 is the frequency of the preceding class interval. Preceding means उससे पहले जो class interval होगा उसकी frequency, frequency of the class preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class means उससे पीछे वाली, preceding the model class. And the next one is F2. It is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. जो model class है उससे next वाली class. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. And H is the class size of the model class. जो भी हमने class interval choose करना है, H क्या है उसका? Class size. Class size. So clear formula? Note down this, then we will do the questions related to this. Those who have done, they can write the statement of the first question. Okay, the question is exercise 14.2. First question is the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So age in years is given, number of patients are given, find the mode and mean of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Measure of central tendency क्या है? जो हम mean, median, mode पढ़ते हैं इनको बोलते हैं measure of central tendency. This heading exercise 14.2 first question. First question. Age in years. It is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Then number of patients, which is frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. Right. Now, can anybody tell me which one is the model class? Raise your hand. Which one is the model class? Yes, Gunesh and Rick. और बाकी इतना मुश्किल है ये क्वेश्चन? Yes, Karan.
35 to 45.
35 to 45, because the frequency corresponding to 35 to 45 is 23, which is the highest frequency in the given values. So model class is this. So write down model class is equal to 35 to 45. Is equal to 35 to 45. Now apply the formula to find the mode. Mode is equal to, जितनी बार भी mode निकालोगे उतनी बार formula लिखोगे ताकि आपको याद हो जाए. L H F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now substitute the values. What is L? L is the lower limit of that class interval. Lower limit is 35 plus H. H is the class size. 10 का size है class size 10. F1 यहाँ लिख सकते हो आप. This is F1. Preceding means उससे पहले वाली F0 और succeeding उससे next वाली F2. ये F1 आ गया, F0 and F2. Now substitute the value. F1 is 23. F0 is 21. 2 times F1. 2 into 23. It is 46. Minus F0. F0 is 21 and F2 is 40. Now do the calculation. Equal to 35 plus 10. 10 into 2. 20 आ जाएगा. 20 लिख लो. 20 over. ये कितना बन गया? 35, 46. 46 minus 35 is 11. Now calculate it and tell me the answer. First we find mid value, then DI, then UI, then FI into UI. Now apply the formula of mean. Mean is equal to A plus H summation FI UI over summation FI. What is the value of A? A is 40 plus H. H is 10. FI UI is minus 37 and this is 80. Calculated. 40. 0 से 0 cancel हो जाएगी. Minus 37 over 8. Calculate it and tell me the answer.
$35.37.
35.3737
Yeah.
years. Or you can write 35.4 years. Note down this. Now the question is compare and interpret the two measure of central tendency. it means that here mode is 36.8. It means जो maximum number of patients admit हुए हैं वो किस age के हैं? 36.8 years. You can write the patients admit in the hospital are of all right, maximum number of patients which are admitted in the hospital is 36.8 years, and the average age of the patient is 35.4 years. Right? Now, second question in homework. Now, third question. थर्ड क्वेश्चन मिसिंग है, फोर्थ या नंबरिंग गलत दी हुई है यहाँ पे, फर्स्ट नहीं, थर्ड नंबर लिखा नहीं हुआ, राइट. नाउ सेकंड इन होमवर्क, नाउ वी विल डू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, थर्ड इन होमवर्क वी विल डू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. थर्ड आप होमवर्क में करोगे. नाउ वी विल डू सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज द फॉलोइंग डाटा गिव्स द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द observed लाइफ टाइम्स in hours of 225 electrical components. Data is given, determine the modal lifetimes of the components. Draw the table first. Second question, lifetimes in hours. Right, it is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. Next column is of frequency. 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, and 29. Now, which one is the model class? Yes. Yes, Lavanya.
मैम 60 to 80.
60 to 80 ये हमारी मॉडल क्लास हो जाएगी, 60 to 80 वाली. Now, so this is F1, this is F0, and this is F2. Right, now write the formula. It is L plus H F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now what is L? L is the lower limit, it is 60. H is the class size, which is 20. F1 is 61. F2 is 52. 2 times F1 is 120. 2 times 122. Then F0 is 52. And F2 is 38. Note down and do the calculation. $60, $20, $69 over 122 minus 52. ये कितना आ जाएगा? 70. 70 minus 38. ये आ जाएगा 2. 32. Do the calculation. इसकी कटिंग कर सकते हो आप 10 and 16, या डायरेक्ट 4 पे भी कर सकते हैं, 5 and 8. So 60 plus 45 over 8. Okay, now tell me the answer. Yes, Farja.
Answer is 65.5.
65.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lifetime in hours था, so this much hours. Third in homework. Now we will do fourth question. Those who have done, they can start writing. Question number 4. In fourth question, we have to find mode and mean both. So question is, the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. So first we will draw the table. Number of students per teacher. Number of students per teacher. 15 to 20. 20 to 25. 25 to 30. 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 45 to 50 and 50 to 55. Then frequency is number of states or union territories. It is 3, 8, 9, 10. 3002. First is mode. So for that we have to find the model class. So 30 to 35 is the model class. This is F1, F0 and F2. L plus H, F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. L is the lower limit of the model class, which is 30 plus H. H is the class size, which is 5. F1 is 10 and F0 is 9. So it is 1. 2 times F1 is 20. F0 is 9 and F2 is 3. So it is 30 plus 5 over 11 हो जाएगा, 5 over 9. 5 divided by 9 is 30 plus, it is 0.5, 45, 5, 45, 5, 0.55. और अगर हम राउंड ऑफ करके लिखें, we can write 0.56. So this is 30.56. Write down the mode. So उन्होंने डाटा इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए भी कहा है. So you have to write, in most of the states student teacher ratio is 30.6. अगर राउंड ऑफ करके लिखें, और you can write 30.56. नोट करो. then we will find the mean. So 9 5 divided by 8 तब भी इतना ही आएगा 950. 50 means 540. फिर 6 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, चेंज कर लो. सिक्स आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So it is 30.6. आप up to 2 decimals तक भी लेके जा सकते हो इसको. So now let us do the second part of the question, mean. ये erase कर रही हूँ अब मैं. Now we will find the mean of the data. So Fi xi. Xi is the mid value. 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. अब इनमें difference 5 5 का है तो 5 5 ऐड करते जाएं. 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5 and 52.5. Then di is equal to xi minus a. xi 1 2 3 ऊपर 3 नीचे 2 है मिडिल वैल्यू, तो 32.5 ले लें जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा है. 32.5. Now subtracted 17.5 minus 32.5. ये कितना आ जाएगा? minus 15. 5 5 का डिफरेंस है तो 5 5 का इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे. minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. Then ui is xi minus a over h. 5 का क्लास साइज है, 5 से डिवाइड करते रहो. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then next is fi ui. Fi is 3 into -2 is -9. 8 into -2 is -16. 9 into -1 is -9. 10 into 0 is 0. Then 3 into 1 is 3. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. And 2 into 4 is 8. Now do it 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 16 minus 34. और नीचे वाला है 3 and 8, 11. FI UI कितना आ जाएगा? minus 34 and this is minus 23. And the total of frequency is 35. Now apply the formula and find out the mean. बोर्ड पे स्पेस नहीं है, मैं फर्स्ट 2 कॉलम्स इरेज कर रही हूँ यहाँ से. So mean is equal to K plus H summation Fi ui over summation Fi. But A is 32.5. H is 5. Fi ui is minus 23 and Fi is 35. 32.5 minus 115 over 35. यहाँ कटिंग भी कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे कटिंग कर देते हैं 7. So minus 23 over 7. Now calculate it. Yes, Karan.
$29.2.
आपने डिवाइड किया क्या एलसीएम लेके किया है?
मैंने दूसरे मेथड से किया, डायरेक्ट मेथड।
इन दोनों को डिवाइड करके देन सब्ट्रैक्ट। अच्छा, आपने डायरेक्ट मेथड से किया। ओके, व्हाट इज द आंसर? 29.2।
यस।
ओके, note down this. सो उन्होंने इंटरप्रेट करने को कहा है मीन को भी। पहले जो मैं लाइंस बोल रही हूँ पीछे उसको लिख लेना अपनी नोटबुक पे। So in most of the states, the average student teacher ratio is 29.2. This is the average ratio। और जो पहले हमने फाइंड आउट किया था वो था in most of the states, ज्यादातर स्टेट्स में जो टीचर स्टूडेंट रेशियो है वो कितनी है? 30.6। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ होमवर्क। सिर्फ मोड फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें आपने। नाउ वी विल डू द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन। In sixth also we have to find only mode. Those who have done, they can start question number 6. So 2 questions in homework from this exercise, third question and fifth question. Yes, Jig, आपने हाथ खड़ा किया है। Any doubt?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
हाँ जी Jig।
क्या लाइन लिखनी है मीन के लिए?
Okay, last में mean में लिखोगे in most of the states the average student teacher ratio is 29.2। मतलब जो उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, हमने जो क्वेश्चन था उसको स्टेटमेंट बना के लिखना है। इन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट द एवरेज टीचर स्टूडेंट रेशियो इज 29.2। ओके, मीन के वक्त इन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट्स मत लिखना। इट इज द एवरेज स्टूडेंट टीचर रेशियो इज 29.2 एंड मोड के लिए जब आप लिखोगे देन इन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट्स, राइट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। Hurry up, do question number 6. Question is, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. How much time is left? 2 or 3 minutes are left. Agar question complete ho jata then it's okay. Otherwise you have to complete this question yourself. So number of cars. And the second column is frequency. Number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Then frequency is 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 11, 15 and 8. So here the model class is 20, highest frequency is 20. So model class is 40 to 50. Now write down the formula. Mode is equal to L plus H, F1 minus F0, 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now L, what is L? L is 40, lower limit of the model class. H, class size is 10, 10 का difference है सब में. F1 minus F0. This is our F1, this is F0 and this is F2. So 20 minus 12, it is 8. 2 times F1 40, F0 is 12, and F2 is 11. So it is 40 plus 80 over 40 minus 23. 40 minus 23 ना आ जाएगा ये 40 plus 80 over 17. Now divided 80 divided by 17 and then add 40 to it. Yes, do the calculation and tell me the answer.